The US government is turning up the heat on big AI players, and this time it's personal. The Federal Trade Commission just launched a sweeping inquiry into how companies like Google's parent Alphabet, Meta, OpenAI, Snap, xAI, and Character.AI handle their chatbots, especially when it comes to user data, monetization, and safety. Think of it as a reality check for the AI industry. The FTC wants to know exactly how these systems process what users type, generate their responses, and use that data afterward. The focus: whether engagement is being monetized responsibly or exploited. This follows some troubling reports. Reuters recently revealed that Meta's policies once allowed AI chatbots to have romantic conversations with minors. And families have filed lawsuits against OpenAI and Character.AI, alleging that their chatbots played a role in tragic teen suicides. Character.AI responded, saying it looks forward to helping regulators understand how the space is evolving, and noted it has added multiple safety features in the past year. Snap also welcomed the inquiry, saying it supports AI policies that protect users while still encouraging innovation. Meta, on the other hand, declined to comment, and others have remained silent so far. Here's the bigger picture. AI chatbots are no longer just toys or productivity tools. They're shaping real human behavior, especially for younger users. And regulators are finally asking the hard questions about accountability. If this kind of oversight helps build trust and safety into AI systems, it could reshape the industry for the better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Do you think the FTC's move will lead to real change or just more bureaucracy? And be sure to watch the related video in the corner for more updates on AI regulation and safety.